Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel How to Know. Today I'm going to tell about the prediction and uptrend about the BNB. As here you can see, you can also analyze all this thing on the Gate.io. So just you have to log in on the Gate.io. If you are not a member of the Gate.io, so just visit in the description section where you can find a link for the sign up and much more things. So here, first of all, to analyze any crypto, just you have to go into the market price, and after going here, you will see uh, multiple tokens will be shown here. So here you can see Ethereum, BTC, Atom, CRB, XPR. So if you want to analyze the BTC, just you have to click over here, and you will find analysis or chart of the BTC and Ethereum. So today I'm going to analyze about the BNB. So just I have to click over here and it will be open. So you can see I'll always use three indicator. First of all RSI, second is volume, and third is MACD. On the basis of these three indicators, I bought and sell multiple tokens on the Gate.io. So this chart is showing here. Just it is a reference value. It is coming from the trading view. As here you can, if you're clicking here, it will go up directly to the trade view. So here you can see I've already opened it, and if I'm analyzing it, then it is showing uptrend from last July 2021. As you can see here, I will draw a line by holding it. Okay, and again I will draw. It has been break a trend line and down, going toward downside. And again, if I'm analyzing for its future, here I'm taking. So it seems it's going to be a like rocket. If it is breaking this, if it is breaking on this point, then it will be go at upper level, like from here. If it is breaking this, then it can be rocket from here. Okay, if it is breaking. Otherwise, if it is breaking downside, then it will go to lower. So it is very important to break this level for the upper trend. Currently, as you can see, again it goes up to 621, then again came to 513, then again goes to 568, then again come to 408. Then yesterday it broke the resistance of 440. Okay, that was I already told you that it is about to break 440. Then after breaking, it hasn't reached till 452. It means it is being increased. If it is breaking the level like 464, it will be the next resistance 474. If it is breaking say 474, then it will be go up to second resistance 569. Then after that, third resistance and last resistance will be 657. So for this resistance breaking, we have to wait and watch. But if I'm talking about the support, what it will be, then the support will be 4 and 10. If it breaks it, then it will hold around 354. And if it is also breaking this support, then it will be stop over 337. So currently the trend is showing a uptrend, so you can buy over here, but make sure you do not have to take a decision on this video. Just always study about the graphs and its trend and its volume. If volume is increasing, then you can buy it. You can make a stand over here. If it is decreasing, then you can sell it. You can see here, the volume is currently increasing. Okay, 7.71884 in 24-hour trading volume, so you can buy it because it is in currently uptrend. So hope this video you like, and please do like, subscribe and share my video. If you want to be a part of the gate.io, just use link given in the description section. Thank you all, thank you for watching my video.